Welcome student. This is fourth video of chapter 8 algebraic expression from RS. In this video we will start exercise 8D. Exercise 8D is a simplification of algebraic expression. In this we have to remember the rule of simplification, means how to solve small bracket, big bracket, curly bracket, and rules of integers. Of course, the rules of algebra, that like term can be added or subtracted. Look at the first question, exercise 8D. A minus small bracket b minus 2a. First we all open the small bracket and minus is here, so we will change the sign. B minus 2a become minus b plus 2a, and then like term will be added. Like this, open the small bracket, minus b plus 2a, a and 2a like term will be added. 3a minus b is the answer. The second question, 4x minus 3y minus x plus 2z, small bracket and minus is here, so we will change the sign. 3y become minus, positive, negative, and then like term 4x plus x 5x, 3y as it is. So the answer. Then I am doing a fourth question. I am doing the alternate part. Rest part just write yourself. Open the bracket and minus 3 is here. Not any sign is here, so it means minus 3 will multiply these two. Minus 3a minus 3b. 4 plus 4 into bracket, then multiply 8a minus 12b. Minus is here, minus 2a plus b. Now arrange the like term. Minus 3a plus 8a minus 2a minus 3b minus 12b plus b. Minus 3 plus 8. Rules of integers. Minus plus minus 5 plus 5 minus 2. 3a minus 3 minus 12 minus 15 minus 14b is the answer. We have to remember the rule of integers and the rules of algebra. Minus 2x square, again for bracket, minus teacher is here, so first we multiply with all the terms inside the bracket. Minus 2 multiply with x square plus 2y square minus 2xy minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 3xy. Arrange the like term. X square minus 2x square minus 3x square, then y square 2y square minus 3y square, and then xy. Arrange the like term. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5x square plus 2 minus 3 minus 1y square or simply y square plus 1 xy. We can write 1 or we can write only y square. Both are right. Okay. Next, eighth question is the curly bracket is here. We know how to open the brackets. First of all, small bracket, and then curly bracket. X, big bracket as it is, curly bracket, then small bracket, 5y plus 2x, small bracket is open. Then solve the curly bracket. 5y minus x plus 5y minus 2x. Then the big bracket, plus is here, so no sign will change. Plus 5y minus x plus 5y minus 2x. Now the like term, minus x minus 2x plus 5y plus 5y minus 4x plus 10y. This is the answer. When you practice, you know how to solve the sum. It only depends on your practice. Nothing is difficulties here. You have to do just practice. Then the 10th question, 12x. A little bit big questions, but not that stuff. You have to follow the rule. Just small bracket. You have to just check that in starting of bracket there is negative sign or positive sign. If the sign is negative, you have to change the sign of brackets. Okay. Before opening a bracket, you have to just check that the sign is negative or positive. If negative, then change the sign. If not, then open it as it is. At last, we will collect the like term. Big bracket as it is, curly bracket as it is. Now open the small bracket. Minus is here, then change the sign. Minus 4 plus 3x plus x cube plus 6x cube, 3x, curly and small, big bracket as it is. Next is our curly bracket. Write all the term as it is, no need to solve it. Just you have to change the sign if negative is here, otherwise as it is. No sign change because it is outside the curly bracket. Curly bracket is open. Now the big bracket, change the sign. All the brackets are open. Now next step, you have to collect the like term. 12x, 3x and 3x. 12x plus 3x plus 3x. Then minus 3x cube, x cube term plus x cube plus 6x cube. Then minus 5x square plus 7x square. Thing is here. Then constant minus 4. Okay, we have collected all the like terms. Solve it. Plus 12 plus 3 plus 3, 15, 18x. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2x cube. Plus 6 is also here, so we will write down plus 4x cube. Plus 4x cube. Minus 5 plus 7 plus 2x square and minus 4 as it is. This is your answer. You can check your answer at back. Your main step, first of all, you have to open the bracket, small, curly, then big, and at last collect the like term and solve it. So next our 12th question. All questions are same. 12 questions are also same. First of all, you have to open the small bracket, change the sign, then curly, then big, and at last collect the like term, solve them. 14th question. Same, all pattern of all the question is same. You have to open the bracket, so it depends on you how to practice it, because if you practice, this is C, not bracket. Practice makes a perfect man. Then curly bracket, big bracket as it is, minus a plus c plus a minus 2b. Then big bracket, 2a minus 3b, 3a plus 2b plus a minus c minus a plus 2b. Now collect the like term. 2a minus 3a plus a minus a. Then minus 3b plus 2b plus 2b. A, b is done. Then minus c, single one. 2 minus 3. This will be cancelled out. So minus a, 4 plus b minus c. This is the answer. All sums are same. You have to just open the brackets and solve them. And last question I am doing here, 16th question. Last question of exercise is 17th, but this is the last question of our video. After this, our chapter algebraic expression will be finished. Here is the bar is here, bar, and bar is above 2a plus 2b, minus is outside it. Okay, then 2a minus 4b minus curly bracket as it is, and before this we have to open this bar, and 2a minus 2b, bar is open because vinculum and bar. First of all, we have to open this vinculum or bar, then small bracket. 2a minus 4b, big bracket as it is, curly bracket as it is, plus 2a plus 2b, big small bracket is open, 2a 4b, then curly bracket, plus 3b. Just focus on the, you have to concentrate on sign change. Be careful about that. You have to change the sign when minus is outside the bracket. But if you change the sign carefully, then your sum will be wrong. Cannot be wrong. It will be right. Plus 2b. Collect the like term. 2a plus 4 plus 2 will be 8a. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 and then minus 5b is the answer. 8a minus 5b is the answer. That's all for this video. Our exercise 8D is completed and our chapter algebraic expression is also completed. Till then.